make this beat.
Is it love? Is it love right here? Ooh. Ay. Hey peeps, and welcome back. My name is Chelsea O, and just so you know, this right here is my show. I'm so glad to be back. Every time I say this, like I've been gone for a minute. I literally ain't been gone for a minute. I've been here, honey. But I'm just glad to be back in front of the camera filming for you guys. So, I was thinking, what am I going to film? Summer's over. There's not much like excitement really happening in my life. So I said, what am I going to do now? Like, obviously it's time to find BAE, someone to cuddle up with and etc. at night, yeah. And I was just thinking about my winter BAE experiences, yeah. And I just remembered that this season is the season for overnight bags. Listen, every girl has packed an overnight bag. No matter what she says, we've all done it, we've all been there. If you are seeing somebody and it's the winter and you ain't living together, then you know you have to pack an overnight bag or a weekend bag. So I thought I would show you guys what I packed inside of my overnight bag. Okay, viewers discretion, this is not PG, honey. This ain't for the faint hearted, honey. This is some real grown woman-ish, okay? This is for the grown women that know what they want. So if you're under 18 or you use small picking, please, yeah, close your eyes because this is not for you, honey. This is tips for packing your overnight bag for BAE. Okay, so usually how I pack my overnight bag, yeah, is I literally run through the night in my head. I just run through like what I think I'm going to be doing and then I pack accordingly. Okay, so let me grab my overnight bag, the one I made earlier. This, people, is my overnight bag. I love this bag so much. It's literally from Boohoo. It was like, I don't know, it was cheap as chips, but yeah. Let's get into it. Usually when I think about going to see BAE or whatever, I always think about my makeup because I'm honestly addicted to makeup. Like, I love it so much. Without it, my face would literally be... But yeah, I love makeup. I love getting glam, especially, you know, if you go on, you know, see your boo, you want to be glam, you want to be looking fire, you want your lip gloss to be popping, honey. Especially when you're staying over somebody else's house. This is not like your own house where you can just have your shit laying around everywhere. No guy wants to see that you set up a makeup store in his house. He doesn't want to come in and see Estee Lauder on the side. Like, no one wants that. So make sure you keep it very minimal. In here is my handy dandy makeup bag. It's quite small. I would say it's quite small for me anyway, because I have literally a whole bucket. But yeah, I say that's quite small. It just has my essentials like my highlight, you know, all my fixing spray, foundation, eyelash curlers. What else is in here? So once I know I've done my makeup, then after I always think of the next morning when I wake up, what I want to do, like how I want to shower, how clean I want to be. Then I then throw things in my bag. So I always will reach for my, oh, where is it? So I know I've got to bring my deodorant, a razor. No one's trying to look like a werewolf, honey. Ain't nobody trying to look like a werewolf. Just you know, you got to neaten up the under your arms, top lip, because you no one wants BAE to be looking at the top lip. You know, just bare hair. Handle it, honey. Handle one of the 2 toothbrushes I'll bring. If you know, you know. And this is my actual toothbrush. Oh, what the fuck is that foundation on it? Fuck's sake. So there's my toothbrush. You got to have a clean mouth. Can't be going no stinky ass mouth to no BAE's house. That's dead. Perfume, always a designer perfume. Don't be going with no bootleg. Like, you want to be smelling nice, you want to be smelling fresh, you want to be looking fresh, you want to be feeling fresh. And this is where the baby oil comes into it. Nothing makes your skin feel as soft as baby oil. So you know, women, if you want to be feeling sensual and very smooth and very soft, then you know. In terms of like soap and stuff, I always bring my own soap. I use black soap. And I will take this, but I will take it inside like a little container. You know, you get the soap containers that I can bring to and from, whatever. Boys, they don't like have proper wash. Like, I don't know, maybe it's the guys I've been dating, they've been trashier, but the boys, they don't have proper, like, I'll go there, you'll be using, like, a foam bath, yeah, to wash your skin. What? I'm confused. I'm confused. Like, they'll just be using, I picked it up by accident. Yeah, so buy something else. Why are you using foam bath to wash your skin, fam? I don't understand. But for me, I love, like, natural things. I hate, like, anyone else's cream, anyone else's body wash, it will literally make me break out. So I always use this. Obviously I'll use a washcloth, but I just showered, so it's wet in the shower, so no one's trying to put that in my bag just yet. So we got this, a nice clean freshly washed face towel. When you get out of the shower, I don't know if you shower before you go to bed or shower in the morning, like, it's always good to have your own towel. I don't know, me personally, yeah, sometimes I don't wash my guest towels, and it's like my friend will come to my house like, bitch, I need a towel, and I'm like, bitch, you're gonna have to air dry because I ain't got one. Okay, but no, to avoid the embarrassment, just bring you a towel, honey. That's all the toiletries done out the way. So we've covered the makeup, we've covered the toiletries. Next, oh, he ain't done yet. Sorry. Last but not least, baby wipes. Okay. Baby wipes. This kind of covers, this is for both areas, toiletries and makeup. Take it off your makeup at night. No one's got time to be washing their face on someone else's sink. I'm dark skinned, so I don't want to be leaving brown rings around someone's sink. Like, that is not cute. Right. So, enough of the, you know, toiletries and stuff. Okay. Toiletries. That's all the, like, essentials, yeah. Now, let's get on to the hair stuff. Trusty got to be. I'm a 4C girl, and this hair is very tough. This is what you need. Holy grail, honey. Holy grail. Don't forget the trusty flick brush, the hair bands. What else is there? The afro pick. And remember I told you I had two toothbrushes. Honey, this looks so dead and manky, but it works a fucking charm. A toothbrush for the edges. It's necessary. Like, if you don't do your edges with a toothbrush, what are you really doing? This is not gonna cut it. This one, let me even hold it up. This slick brush is not gonna cut it. This is what you need to get the swoop. Okay, good. So now that we have all the pleasantries out of the way, let's get to the bit that I know everyone is waiting for. Okay. And you know what that is. That's that freaky. We is all grown, okay? And we know exactly what you are going to base house for, okay? And we know exactly why you packed an overnight bag, okay? So without further ado, obviously if you do like the BAE, you two got a good old connection, honey, and you think it's time to take it to the next level, or you've already taken it to the next level that I'm pretty sure many of you have, but you can't just be going and just looking tussy and dead. Sexy lingerie, looking like a snack. You want to be eaten from top to bottom, if you know what I mean. On that note, don't get too gassed. Don't buy bare stuff. Don't buy stuff for this guy. Just use the things that you have at home. Okay? We reuse it, okay? Good one. Honeys, this is when I'll literally crack out my sexy lingerie. Yeah, so I haven't used this, that's how you know. Unpacking sexy lingerie, have I even used the struggle is real. But yeah, I'll say like, oh, this is cute, honey. Put on something sexy for your man there. This is how you keep your man, because you just be wearing tight things. This is how you teeth for other people's man. This is how you teeth for other people's dad. To be honest, that doesn't sound right. No, let's delete that. You need something that's going to be sexy, yeah? Not too much. You don't want to scare him away because he's going to be thinking, who's this dominatrix, yeah? But no, just do something a little nice for BAE. Obviously, if it's a special weekend, date night, something, you know. But you have options as well. Like, have options, honey. Because what if you get there and you're like, I'm not really feeling this. Oh, maybe I've got outfit too. Boom, boom. with the outfits come, for some people who are a lot more elaborate and a lot more experienced in the bedroom, honey, we have things called accessories. If you know, you know. But I don't have y'all. I'm not about to show you no accessories. Okay, that ain't gonna happen. That is not gonna happen. If you want to see some accessories, I'll put the link to Ann Summers and all these other websites, yeah, for the things that you can get, you know, for you and your bae, you know. When the door closes and now, you know, they're all there. But for a lot of my younger viewers, listen, I'm not even just younger viewers, for everybody, okay, staying overnight at Bae's house is fun. Having fun, experimenting, living your best life, doing what humans are made to do, honey, creating that beautiful love juice. No, that sounds really wrong. Ew, I'm actually making myself sick. But for real, yeah, please, please, please protect yourself at all costs. Even if it's your bae or whatever, just always protect yourself. Not just from STIs, but protect yourself from unwanted pregnancies as well. So, of course, I have packed in my suitcase, in my overnight bag. These are a necessity, guys. Do not just overlook this. This is the main part of the overnight bag. Okay, do not overlook, because I know what you're going to do. You ain't got to front to me. You're gonna bust it open, yeah. So if you're gonna bust it open, yeah, bust it open and be safe. You know what I mean? Yeah, get me. Yeah, get me. That looks a bit wrong. Okay, now I'm gonna edit that out. Cause whoa. Now that we got the good out of the way about the overnight bag. Okay, so now in my mind, yeah, I think, okay, so I've got all my makeup, everything. I done busted open, yeah. I had the time of my life. Okay, I'm tired. So I'm tired. So what's it time for? Bedtime. What you got for bedtime? Let me show you what I got for. I'm doing the most. I'm doing the most. You see me? Yeah, minute of shame. Minute of shame. The headscarf. Listen, yeah. You are gang. If you pull up to Bae's and you have the headscarf, don't be lying. Like, this is the thing, yeah. You think I'm gonna go to bed on Bae's cotton bed sheets, yeah, with no headscarf, so it can be tearing out the little edges that I have left? For what? When he knows, even if you're wearing a wig, he knows that wig ain't yours. You know, one time, literally, my ex told me, he said, "Chelsea, is your head not hot?" He's like, "Take the wig off." I said, "Hey, good." He said, "Your head is hot. You look hot. Take the wig off." It's not by force, you know. They don't understand, especially like me, yeah, I date a lot of African guys. They know their mums are backing off wigs, fam. Their mums are backing off wigs. So you back off the wig too. Back it off. Back on one of these lovely satin headscarves. Is going to save the little edges that you have left, honey, because you know you ain't got a lot of edges left. So you know what to do. Headscarf, baby. Me personally, I love sliders. I don't like walking around in people's houses barefoot. So for me, I always bring my, well, not always, I'm acting like I'm out every weekend, you know. But yeah, I'll bring my Puma sliders, because no one's trying to be backing up toes. And well, you will be backing up toes, but not to that extent, like on the floor, dead. Oh, there's another piece of lingerie in here. Yeah. It's a long night. To go to bed, usually what I'd wear, like a dress similar to what I'm wearing now. A little cheap dress, like from Boohoo. You know these like £3 cami dresses, not Boohoo, from Primark. I think it's from Boohoo or Primark, I can't remember. But a cami dress is a lifesaver. Like, no one wants to go to bed in something that's too restricting, but you also want to look cute when you're going to bed as well. Because like, imagine if Bae wakes up and he looks at you in the middle of the night. You don't want him to be thinking, ugh, look at these fucking pajamas that she's been backing off, yeah, wearing for like 3 years. Dead, no. And I have my little pum pum shirt, my little pum pum shirt, just in case, you know, Bae wakes up in the middle of the night. Session 2 now. Session 2, back up the shows now. Nah, I need to, fam, this is getting out of control. Then last but not least, next day clothes is essential. You want something comfortable, that's free, that's light. I always wear like a cropped jumper. This one's really cute and it's my absolute fave. And a pair of leggings or cycling shorts. Sorry, these are inside out. I can't bother to take them out. But something cute, like you don't want to look like you're doing too much for Bae, you know. but you also just want to be calm and cool and collected. If you're going to be staying the day, if you don't kick you out, you know how some guys just be moving mad, not to me but so I've heard, okay, some guys just be moving mad and kicking girls out of the house and that, at least you're then comfortable, you know what I mean? So anyway, that's that, and that's it. My overnight bag is completely empty. I always bring a purse that is not a part of my overnight bag, like my own personal purse. This is it, and it's always full to the brim, the absolute brim, full of like paracetamol, you know, just the normal stuff that women have, chargers, headphones, purse, anything else, I don't know, just random shit, it's all in there, okay? Keys, this is essential. I keep it separate from my overnight bag because it's like, if I go to BAE and he's like, let's go out to eat, I'm not going to bring my whole overnight bag that's dead, so always bring a separate purse as well. And ultimate tip, if this is your regular boyfriend or your regular partner or bae, whatever, I would suggest, if you can, leave a pair of heels and a going out outfit at the house, okay? And I know some guys are probably like, why is she trying to leave herself in my house, she ain't my girl, chatting. But yeah, with my previous relationship, one thing I noticed is that he'll be like, oh yeah, come round babe, I just want to chill and watch a movie. I'll get there and he'll be like, oh, you look nice, let's go out. You look nice, let's go out. In the middle of the night at 11, he'll be like, yeah, let's go barking, let's go, I want to go shisha lounge, let's go shisha lounge. In his stupid accent. He wants to go shisha lounge. Fam, I can't be going shisha lounge in fucking Vans, that's dead. So like, leave a pair of heels and a cute little dress, like something nice, a cocktail dress, and then you are sorted. And that is Chelsea's guide to the weekend bag. I don't think I missed anything out, but if you guys add anything different to your weekend bag than what I do, then please let me know, like shout me, like write it down below. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched this video so far, if you're this far into the video and you haven't subscribed, then what are you doing? Like, I genuinely don't understand. You want to fight? Ho? You want to go outside? You need to subscribe and share the thing. Them other girls that don't know how to pack their bag, their overnight bag, you need to tell them, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.